Hey and welcome. Today I'm going to be restoring, factory resetting this Acer Windows Aspire laptop and putting it back to factory settings. Not too much pressed about the data, but if you want to save your data, make sure you do a backup to an external. So here I have it open to the sign page and I'm just going to restart. And while I hit the restart, I'm going to hold down the shift button and wait for it to load. It should pop up with another screen. Yep. And then we're going to, from this screen, it gives you a prompt of to continue, going back, or troubleshoot, or maybe you didn't mean to do this. I want to troubleshoot, and then also it's going to give you a prompt saying reset this PC or advanced options. So reset is what I want. Advanced options is maybe to go through different portals to see what other users are on there. So hit reset. So I want to remove everything on the computer. I don't want to keep any files. So I want to do the second option of the prompt. And then it's going to restart, go through, well, not restart, it's going to go to like a system management and start the reset. This may take from like between 15 to 30 minutes, but once it's done, I'll let you know what screen pops up. So here it is saying reset this PC, getting things ready.
Thank you for calling Consular.
And again, I want to say fully clean this device. So it's all ready to start. We've already told it once and once again. So now is the final reset option, and it's resetting. So here it gives you an estimation of how far it is progressing, which would be good to let people know as far as how long it would take or what you might be expecting a complete reinstall for.